Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Sellfy product link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your product link in Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling digital products, you may have created your first product in Sellfy, but you're not sure where the link is for you to share it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your Sellfy product link, here on the left side, click on products. Once you do that, you're going to see all the products you're selling on Sellfy. You can see I just have this one. Now to get the share link, there's a few different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is off to the right of the product. You can click on these three dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down menu, and you can click on share. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the link right here, and you just copy the link. Second way you can do this is you can click into the product. Once you click into the product, off to the right here, you're going to see a little eyeball, three dots, and a trash can. Click on these three dots. Once you click on those three dots, you want to click on share. And once again, you're going to see the share link right here to your digital product in Sellfy. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the share link to your digital product in Sellfy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.